Hey, my friend, Ronnie K here. I trust that you're having an excellent day. I have some really good updates for you. I'm very, very excited. I told you about this system about 10 days ago. 7 days into the system, I made my first referral, and I'm very excited about that. I sent out emails, I posted a video, and someone found me online. And so that's really encouraging. It lets you know that what I'm telling you to do and how to do it is not something separate from what I'm doing. I'm doing exactly what I'm telling you to do. And working full time, I know that you have minimal time that you can exert, to use energy on a business, and you're looking for something that's low cost, low overhead, easy, effortless, that you can just plug and play. And this is something that you can do. You do still have to do some work, but for me, maybe we're doing 5-10% of the work, and the system is doing 95 to 90% of the work, because the pages are high converting. The videos speak to individuals like yourself who want to have a side hustle, who want to make extra money, who don't have a lot of time to learn how to write email copywriting, who don't have a lot of time to build a website and create videos and things of that nature. You're able to step right into the system and start telling people about it, and begin to start generating an income. So I'm very excited about it. I'm very excited about it for you, because I know you want to make extra money. I know that you want to pay off your debt. You want to save up for retirement. You want to travel more. You want to work remote. You want to replace your income. You don't want to wait until you retire at the present job that you're in. You're looking for a job. There's all these type of reasons on why you're looking to have money solve some money issues in your life. Yes, but the common denominator for all of us is you want to make extra money. And this is a system that can yield you 4+ income streams. Just imagine that. You have one website. You tell people about it. They go watch the video, and they go in and they're able to see all of the income streams. And I'm telling you, oftentimes, when people get this system and they see your income streams and the other income streams that they have in there, they purchase. One in particular is traffic, because every business owner needs traffic. So when you are a member, a subscriber of this traffic system, when the person gets this system from you and they go in the system and they purchase traffic, you'll generate income. It is a genius idea. All right. And I'm very excited about it. One last thing I'll tell you is you want to make things happen faster for you than slower. You want things to work faster for you than slower. So instead of having the one income stream that you keep pushing and pushing and pushing for people to look at, they may not be interested in that. So here is a way for you can make money whether or not people purchase your main deal. That is the icing. That's the cake. That's the foundation. That's everything. Yes, you do want people to purchase your products and services that you are promoting. However, because of all the time and energy that you're putting in, when people come and look at this system, if they do not purchase your main product or service, when they purchase this system, because they need a system to have their income streams in, you'll make money when they purchase a system. You'll make money when they purchase the traffic. And there's a couple of other ones in there that business owners need to use. And when they purchase that, there's a way for you to earn. So this is a really powerful system. I'm going to keep talking about it. I don't want you to sleep on this at all. So take the free tour, and many blessings.